Hey guys, what's up? So today we're going to do a video on bus numbers, replacements, and their stories. This is the second video I've done like this. So the first bus is bus number 7, which was a 1999 Amtrak International, and it was replaced by a 2019 C2. So as you'll see in this photo, bus 7 had black doors. I'm not sure if that was something that we did after it was purchased or if that was ordered like that, but all of its sister buses did not have black doors. And then one thing on the C2s, you'll notice they have fender signals. Now, all the 99s, when they were new, originally had the fender signals, but over time they took them off because they didn't like them. And we recently got a new supervisor, and this is bus 8, which is another Amtrak, but he told me, that he really doesn't think they cause that much of a problem. I guess the concern before was the fact that they're under the hood and they're getting hit with whatever the tire throws at the bottom of the light causes it to have problems. So as you can see on 8, you can see where they took the fender signal off and covered it with a piece of metal. But anyways, he said it really doesn't have that much of an issue or an effect on it. And I have to agree with him. I really like the fender signal on, any bus that's a conventional. It just adds to the bus and it makes it look better. The next bus we're going to look at is bus number 9, which is another Amtrak 3800, and it was also replaced by a C2. So I never rode on bus number 9. I rode on 7 and 8 as spares. Bus number 9 is in my video about 50. I'll include it in. It drives by. And then it's probably in the last day video I did a few years back. The new 9 is a C2. I don't know. Not much really to say because I haven't ridden on any of these C2s except for 16. And that was just around the lot. So next bus we're going to look at is bus number 11. Now, bus number 11 was a 1997 Bluebird International 3800 T444E. Its replacement is a C2. The sad thing is at least in my opinion, we had 6 of these 97s. Now there's only 2 still active, running. 47 was sold. 11, 25, and 35 are out of service. Here's new 11. 36 and 41 are still active. And it was just kind of surprising they took them out of service because, from my knowledge, they were pretty good buses. The next bus is bus number 12, which was a 1999 Amtrak 3800, and it was replaced by a C2. So 12 was actually the first of the 99s to be taken from service, followed by 38, which 38 still hasn't been, the number has not been filled in. But this was bus 12 right after it went out of service, because bus 12 had some of the worst rust of all the 99s. So this is the new 12. I really like how they put 12 on the hood. I know on the C2 there's really nowhere you can put it on the side of the body like you would a CE under the driver or under the windshield. The next bus is bus 15. Bus 15 was a 1999 Amtrak also. It was originally 50, but they switched it around when I was in middle school. New 15 is a C2. So I don't know if you guys have noticed on the pictures of the C2s, on the driver's side, they've put the number between the second and third rub rail. Personally, I don't really like that. If it would have been me, I would have put it like right under the driver's window, right next to the stop arm, or behind the stop arm. But as you can see in this next photo, they put it between the second and third rub rail on the side, which I don't really like that. I don't think it looks good. Anyways, next bus is 16. Now, 16 was a 2004 CE. Had some pretty bad rust. There's a video of it. I'll include a link. New 16 is a C2, obviously. So this is old 16. Looks good, right? Doesn't look like it would have major problems. I mean, it looks like it's, running and, alive. Yeah, no. So very bad rust. Go check out the video. I'll put in a card. Here's new 16. This one I actually did get to ride on around the lot. I like the ride. It's smooth. The seats, personally, I don't think they're that comfortable. But other than that, it was a nice ride. So yeah, those are the buses. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you for watching, and yeah, feel free to suggest a video. Thanks for watching. Bye.